how to fix PayPal, something went wrong. So maybe you're making a transaction, trying to log in or do whatever else, but PayPal simply says something went wrong. In that case, what do you do to try to fix this? Now, to try to fix this, obviously what we're going to do is, if you're using PayPal from your browser, make sure to use and check your internet connection properly and make sure that they're just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data here. Now, once you have basically done this, what you can also try to do is make sure that your PayPal account is verified. Sometimes the lack of verified account might also be the cause for this. And what you can also do is just make sure to try to clear your browser cache and data. So long press the Chrome app icon or whichever you're using, go to the I button there, go to storage, clear cache and clear the data. And once done, you can try to relog into PayPal and see if that helps you solve the problem. So I hope that this video helped you on how you can solve if something went wrong on PayPal. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.